Hi, I'm Craig Silverman. I'm the co-founder of Indicator, a site that reports on digital deception and also trains people on digital investigative methods on how to dig into it. And I'm super excited to invite you to a webinar at journalismcourses.org on December 10th at 1 p.m. Eastern, all about new and updated digital investigative tools. We're going to spend about an hour together where I'm going to walk you through in hands-on ways these really awesome new or kind of newly updated tools that are really useful in different elements of your reporting. It doesn't matter what your beat is. It doesn't matter what kind of journalism or writing or research you do. At least some of these should be helpful to you. So for example, we're going to look at tools around investigating websites and learning more information about them. We're going to look at tools for researching and investigating social media platforms and accounts. And of course, we're going to talk about artificial intelligence. So what are some of the tools that you might want to integrate into your workflow, but also what are some of the tools that might help us dig into potentially AI generated images and video and that kind of thing. So we're going to cover a whole bunch of stuff. We'll go through a lot of tools. You'll get the slides at the end and you're going to learn a lot and hopefully be able to update that toolkit, which is going to help you with your reporting and your research. So remember, it's December 10th, 1 p.m. Eastern. You can sign up right now at journalismcourses.org.